Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Wendyyy Show. Today episode, we're going to talk about Nia Long. Nia Long out here living her best life. After her divorce with Udoka, you could see her over here on the stage with Omarion. You know, he started a whole little rumor like, you know, he got a little thing going on with her due to the fact that she got his little hands, you know. But, you know, you could tell it ain't really going on. It's just friendship. But she look gorgeous, though. She looking beautiful. Then again, you never know, though. I remember a couple years ago, I think she still remember how Omarion was eating that watermelon. She didn't forget about that part. That boy was going in that watermelon. Hey, maybe she'll let him eat her watermelon. Alright, let's move to the next slot. When I'm telling you, man, she living her best life.
What we doing?
And then this episode, they caught her ass in Dubai with Terrence. You know Terrence still got that BET money, you know. That man did so many different episodes on BET, man. That boy ain't playing. That boy pull up with that Burgundy. Is it a Ferrari? Damn, what kind of car is this, man? Shot, let me know what kind of car is this. Look at that man out here being a gentleman. Oh shit, that nigga happy as fuck. J. Cole, bro, where you at, homeboy? Where you at? It's your time to shine, J. Cole. I think he just had a baby though, but like it's your time to shine, cuz. I remember that track you said you wish you were old enough for Nia Long, cuz. Come out here and stop her, bro, cuz she out here riding with Terrence, holding Omarion hands and stuff. Come on, J. Cole, go get you some, bro. You know I'll be happy for you though, bro. Dreamville, you know. God damn, she look good. I ain't gonna lie. Look at them shoes, man. That girl clean, cuz. She don't even look. Nah, she look like she been drinking now. Man, but she beautiful as fuck. Gorgeous. Look at her. Ooh.
Get in there.
Yeah, like I was saying, man. Yeah, she out here living her best life, man. I mean, come on, Udoka, man. You should never did what you did, bro. You embarrass your wife like that, bro. Now she move on to bigger things, bro. And then you at home suspended watching all these videos, ain't it? That shit hurt, ain't it? God damn, that shit hurt. Kind of remind me of Why Did I Get Married? Oh shoot! I'm about to grab another video for y'all, man. You know I'm doing a cover, but you know, hey, Terrence looking right though, but hey, that man spending some money though, bro. That man take her out of the country, bro, to Dubai, bro. Shit, what happened at Dubai, stay at Dubai, bro. Why the student gotta be explained? You feel me? It's crazy, bro. It's crazy. Let me move to the next slide for y'all. Like I was saying though, bro, I always had to question that lady, man. You know, the way she handle herself, man. She stay out of the way, you know, stay out of trouble. And like, hey, I mean, I don't blame her for doing what she doing now. She needs to live her best life, you know. Hey, especially, you know, she been faithful to Buddy. Buddy was out here at work, putting in work. You feel me? They always say, bro, you cannot mix business with pleasure, bro. You cannot do that. That don't work. That don't mix, bro. Once you mix business with pleasure, it's over with, homeboy. You see what I'm saying? Man, you out here, but the thing is, man, he was putting in work though. I ain't gonna lie though. His Celtics is doing real good though, but she'll be in the back room, in the locker room, bro, getting in there, bro. Getting your wee suck, man, out here soaking left and right and shit. Damn, you kind of remind me of that track with Kendrick Lamar. I talk about my left stroke just went viral. You Udoka, man. You should have never did that, bro. You African, man. You only know, bro. Y'all Africans, man. You should have never did that, homeboy. Yeah, cuz. Damn. Now she out here living her best life. Look at that. Neeson. That's a new movie coming out, though. But she look good, though. She rocking that green, though. You know what green mean? Money, homeboy. Money. She gonna get that moolah. And then she had that post on Twitter when she talk about she's single as fuck, homeboy. She gone, huh? She gone, homeboy. Yeah, like honestly though, I ain't gonna lie though. She look like she'll make a good couple with Terrence though. I ain't gonna lie though. I see the two cute little puppies. They look like two little lovebirds. Yeah, I was actually looking at the actual little pictures on Twitter, man. They look cute together though. I'm not hating though. They look cute together though. But for somebody that's 52 years old, bro, that woman gorgeous. Yeah. So thank you for tuning in to Wendyyy Show. My name is Wendyyy. Thank you for tuning in with me. If you're new to the channel, please take a second, click that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so next time I post a new video so you could get it. Alright? Hold on tight. Good morning, good night, good evening. See you in the next video, man. Night night. Yo, Wendyyy thought I was gonna leave without posting that video with her and young MIA. Shit. You know, P. Diddy out here doing things, but hey, I'll be mad though if she end up chilling with MIA and P. Diddy though, cause I don't want P. Diddy to pee on my girl though. Hell nah, bro. That shit ain't gonna fly over here, dog. You could do all kind of shit you want to do to the city girls, bro. That man come and broke the city girls. All it takes is a billionaire, bro, to knock these girls off their boots. But they out here talking about how they were playing niggas, how they were doing, yeah. Hey, I can't remember the goddamn lyrics of the song, but hey, it's in my head somewhere, bro. I know the city girl was trying niggas, bro. Hey, they don't mess with broke niggas. They don't do this with them type of niggas. But you got a billionaire out here, bro, peeing on y'all, man. That's sad, bro. City girl down to -90, homeboy. It's only the beginning of the year, bro. This year is crazy as hell, bro. And I know Nia Long doing her things in January though, but then again, you also got goddamn Christian Rocks and Blueface on the other side here, bro. Wildin', taking 2023 in their hand, bro. The most toxic relationship I ever see ever in my life. Chris Brown tried that shit once, but that shit didn't work. He had to get on CNN to apologize to the whole nation, bro. Nah, this nigga Blueface out here, bro, they caught the man red-handed in camera, knocking the girl out. But they still out here. It's like the most toxic relationship I ever seen in my life. She being his ass, he being her ass, and then at the end of the day, they fell in love together. You don't mind your business, you gonna end up feeling some type of way. Look at me alone and my egg in the name, bro. Hey, don't tell me you smell like pedo. I don't know why this woman gonna get a national TV, gonna claim that she love getting peed on, bruh. It's almost like you sell your soul in a whole different ways for humiliation. But anyway, girl, hey, do your thing. You famous. Hey, I guess we always gonna remember that shit. If I ever get famous, I'ma stay away from your ass. I do not want to smell no PDDP. Alright, y'all. I'm definitely gonna be going this time. Alright, I will see you in the next video. If you listen to this shit in the morning, good morning. Listen to it in the afternoon, good afternoon. If you're listening tonight, good night. Peace and love. Thank you for tuning in to the Wendyyy Show. I'm out.